freedom, humanity, inspiration, peace of mind, mental focus, joy. The root of all these qualities lies in the heart. So that's where we begin. And it all starts with the simple act of meditation. I was fortunate to spend 2 years interacting with Kamleshdi Patel, a spiritual master known simply as Daaji.
Knowledge is good. Knowledge is valuable. But knowledge on its own cannot transform or even change me.
The Heartfulness Way is a record of our many conversations in which he meticulously explains the practices of heartfulness and shares his own experience on the path. This book is for beginners and seasoned meditators alike. Heartfulness is to discover the essence beyond the form, the reality behind the ritual. It is to center yourself in the core of your heart and find true meaning and contentment.